Live the life you love the life you live. Love your brother. Love your sister. Do what you say you're gonna do. Show up on time. Eat healthy. Love your children. Love your parents. When you're wrong, admit it. The world is a big place. With a whole heap of different people. But everybody is governed by the laws of earth. If you do good, good will follow you. If you do bad, bad will follow you.